Hey, what's up guys, this is Priyanshu Tiwari here and you've been watching Programming Nation, and in this video we'll be going to unbox this new device from Honor, that is Honor View 10 in front of you. So I'm having this midnight black color variant, and it's 6 GB and it is having 128 GB ROM. So it is powered by Kirin 970, the latest chipset from Huawei. So let us just first take out the plastic from here. Yes, so as you can see over here, in the box you'll see that Honor View 10, it is written over here. At the back, the information about the processor, which software you'll be getting in it, and it is Jio and Airtel VoLTE supported, and the battery life of it is 3750 mAh, and it's having 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel rear camera and 13 megapixel front camera. So let us just take it out once. Yes, so over here we are having first we are having the device itself. It's the device, as you can see over here. We'll take a look later, and we'll be first seeing what's inside it. Here is the SIM ejector tool, as you can see, and inside is the case. And it's a TPU case over here, as you can see, some paperwork, and inside this is a case, and that's a good thing that companies are bundling this case inside. So good move by Honor, as you can see. We'll just keep this also aside. And what's inside? So there is a cable, USB type A to USB type C, and a power adapter. And let us see the ratings over here. It's 9 volt 2 amps, that means it's a quick charge, Huawei quick charge it is having. So there's no headset inside it, no earphones. So let us now take a look at the device itself. Over here is the case, and I'll just put that case when after peeling off the stickers. So over here you can see, let me just remove this out. I've removed the plastic from it, and at the back these label, let me just remove these also. Yeah, so as you can see, it's the device itself, and it's having 6.1 display and full HD plus display, and it's having the new aspect ratio, that is 18:9 aspect ratio. And at the back you are getting these two cameras. The primary camera is 16 megapixel and the secondary camera is 20 megapixel, and a flashlight at the back, and the Honor branding. And in the front you can see you will be getting this camera, front camera 13 megapixel earpiece, and at the bottom it's the fingerprint scanner. And at the bottom you'll be getting a USB type C port, a vent for speaker, and a mic is also included over here, and 3.5mm headphone jack. And over here you'll be getting a SIM ejector tool. So let us see what is the you are getting a SIM slot. So let us see that what we are getting, like what type of combination we are getting over here. So let us just so over here it's a hybrid solution, a nano SIM and one micro SD card, or two nano SIM inside it. So it's made up of, I think so, plastic. And at the top you are just getting a IR blaster, I think so, and a microphone. And here you are getting these volume rockers and a power button. So let us give this device a first boot. Gave me a haptic feedback, and as you can see, the screen is really bright according to me. And so over here, as you can see, powered by Android, and we will take a look at the animations over here. According to me, and the first preference is like it's a 6.1 inch display, but it's really light. And the move by Honor over here is that they have fitted the fingerprint scanner at the bottom, as you can see, and it will be running on Android 8. and we'll be having EMUI, that is the custom UI from Huawei. So I will catch you on the later side when after setting this device up once. So yeah, I have set it up the device over here, and I have applied the case which we have given, and you will get a bit of premium look from this. And let us first test what we say, the fingerprint scanner, which is over here. Okay, it takes no time, nearly no time. You can see, as you can see, and yeah, over here you are getting the face unlock also. So let us, like, as you can see now, see, I'm not looking at it, and now when I'm looking, it is unlocked. Over here you can see that over here it is written recognizing face, and whenever I am keeping my face, it will get unlocked. And over here you will get the custom skin from Huawei, that is the EMUI. And let us see the Android version first. System, about phones, as you can see, EMUI, and the version over here is I think so it would be given some, yeah, EMUI version 8.0 and Android version Oreo. Yes, you're getting Oreo out of the box. And security patch update is the 1st January, and this month I think so is April. So I hope they'll be giving us regular security patch updates. And if we talk about, like, many people don't like this custom skin, they like to what we say, keep that Android sort of. So there are many features in it, and you can see there are not much of bloatwares. You can see, like, a bit of things are there, like Facebook is there, then these tools are there which you will get from, like, Honor. Then if you are having Honor band sort of things, then you can use this health part also, phone manager, and these all things. Let us take a look at the camera. Let me bring the, okay, next allow, we'll allow it. So over here, sorry, so like, just let me give a look over here. The shutter speed is really fast, and when you swipe towards right, then you will see on the left hand side, you will see these modes. There are pro photography. If you are into these things, then you will really like it. And let us see at the resolutions, that you can go up to 20 megapixel resolution, 4:3 aspect ratio, that is default set at 16 megapixel. And as you can see, there are many features in this camera. Let us take a look at the selfie camera of it. So you will be getting the option for the mirror image also, mirror on, mirror off, as you can see. Okay, I'll be shooting some of the samples around my house, and you'll be able to see now that these samples are there, shot by this Honor View 10. Recording this part of the video with the front facing camera of Honor View 10, and the audio is also recorded, it's been recorded with the device itself, that is the Honor View 10. So you be the judge about the video quality that has been that we shot from the front facing camera of Honor View 10, and you be the judge about how is the camera quality. And you can then you can decide about buying this phone if you are into a vlogging sort of, or in the field of recording video from the front facing camera. Recording this part of the video with the rear camera of Honor View 10, and the audio is also from the device itself, and so you can get a fresh idea about the video quality and the audio quality of this. And you can take a look of this stabilization also, so that you can decide whether to buy this device or not. To these apps which will be getting, I'm really surprised that like, I hope so we can uninstall these apps, because I really don't like bloatwares and all. Yeah, bloatwares, yes, the bloatwares which we are having here, you can be deletable. And let us see, one more thing we'll take a look is that storage. Out of 128 GB, you'll be getting 160 GB roughly free. And yeah, as you can see. And let's go about these. It's fast and snappy. I really like this. Like, there is no lag till now, But yeah, one thing which I like to tell is that there is a bit of foam over here, this side of the phone. And overall it's a really a perfect phone, and the pricing of this, like I have bought it from Amazon, and it's 29,999, and you can see it unlocks it so fast. Like if I'm doing so, touch and unlock, and it's responsive. Like let me keep this finger, okay, face and it used the face unlock, so let me just keep this finger, it won't recognize it, and now just touch and it will face unlock fast. You can like it's taking no time nearly. Like if I'm keeping here and now I'm moving it here and it's unlocked, like I really like. But yeah, as you know, it's not that safe. Like we are having the iris scanner plus the face unlock in S9 and the S9 plus and the iPhone 10 face unlock, which hardware support is just using a camera and some of the what we say AI algorithms. And yeah, one more thing about this camera is that you will be getting better pics from this, because it will be using the AI algorithms, plus there is a NPU inside in this processor, which is the what we say Kirin 970, which their owner has included in it, which will help you to get better pictures, picture quality and all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and write your opinions and views in the comment section. So I really like the device. What do you think? Is this a perfect phone in the budget segment of 25 to 30,000? Let me know in the comments. I really like the speed of the face unlock, but yeah. So never mind, just let me know in the comment section what are your opinions in it about this phone, and we will take a look at different type of perspective of about this phone, like how is the speed, and I'll try to bring a full in-depth review for you. So keep subscribed to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.